God, I'm so nervous. As you can now see, we're entering the deepest parts of the Northwoods. Only the keenest and the strongest, right here, man, will survive. Isn't that a house right there? Casino, what's that house? I know, you're a funny guy. Huh?
Yeah, I'm pretty funny. If you hit me again, see what's gonna be funny. Hey man. Oh dude, wait, you wanna play basketball? You wanna play basketball?
Dude, that's better in the woods. Oh my god.
Let's play.
No, basketball's not for me.
Come on,
besides, we don't even have a ball. We don't even have a ball. It's alright.
Well, oh, there's one right there.
What?
Dude.
Oh,
let's play. Come on.
This is like the biggest loser. No, I don't. Oh, you really want to play? Well, quick game, okay?
Quick game.
Quick game. You
I want to play.
Up, right?
Yeah, because I'm gonna take
you. Get it set up.
Yeah.
You get it set up.
Yeah, I'm still gonna own you.
Dream on.
Come on, man. I'm ready for this. Look at that. Watch this.
Yeah, you better get prepared.
Oh! Oh! Watch this 50-footer. Oh! Oh! Gotta warm up. Oh!
Ooh, that's some money. Some money from the west side.
Oh!
Yeah, you keep warming up. That's right.
Oh!
That is right.
That right there, 5 points.
Yeah, you be taking shots from your knees because you be there all day long. You. Woo! Oh my god, I better not break anything. Hey! It's time!
Everybody get up, it's time to slam now. We got the real jam going down. Welcome to the Space Jam. Here's your chance, do your dance at the Space Jam. Alright.
What? Hey, with me, man.
Come on and slam, and welcome to the jam. Come on and slam, if you wanna jam.
That's right.
Hey, yo, what you gon' do? 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 Party people in the house, let's go. It's your boy JC. So pass that thing and watch me flex behind my back. You know what's next. Jam all in your face. What's up? Just feel the bass, dropping, knocking down the room, shaking, quaking, space kaboom. Just work that body, make sure you don't hurt nobody. Get wild and lose your mind. Take this thing into overtime. Hey DJ, turn it up. QCD gon' burn it up. Come on, y'all, get on the floor. So hey, let's go.
Everybody get up, it's time to slam now. We got the real jam going down. Welcome to the Space Jam. Here's your chance, do your dance at the Space Jam. Alright.
No way.
We're gonna take it until overtime. Welcome to the Space Jam. Here's your chance, do your dance at the Space Jam.
Come on, it's time to get hype. Say who?
I'll give you 2 points if you move the ball back. Alright, man. Thanks, dog.
Now, oh, the fellas saying who? Yeah. Come on and run, baby, run. Come on, do it, run, baby, run. Yeah, you wanna hoop, so shoot, baby, shoot. It's time to hoop, so shoot.
See how you like dirt. Get over here.
Let me just clean up.
Leave it there. That was a pretty cool game.
Yeah, I schooled you.
Yeah,
Hey, whatever. Keep the jersey just for memories, alright?
Yeah, I'm probably gonna burn it when I get home.
Yeah. It's okay, man. Everybody gets schooled once in a while. Here, why do you have that on anyway?
You just put it on the ground.
Why do you have that on anyway?
Because I want to keep it. All right. I'm not.
Yeah. I guess you gotta work on your skill.
Yeah.
Dude, what
Don't
is
pressure
this?
me about it. What, a hockey stick? Is
Skateboard?
this like sport?
Oh my god, let's go.
Alright, I'm taking this then. This is mine. Oh, dude, this is like,
It's not work. Whatever.
come on.
Just leave it here.
This is like sport stuff. Why is there so many random things in this woods?
Whatever, let's take it.
Whatever.
Alright.
Y'all ready for this?